Hello children, welcome to aimsindia's online classes. In today's video, from mathematics subject, algebraic expressions topic we are going to discuss. So in previous videos, already we have covered some concepts, children. We learnt about constant, variable, operations, term, algebraic term, numeric term, powers of literal, like and unlike terms, factor, coefficient. So up to here already we have completed, children. Let's proceed with the further concepts. Next, children, we have expression. Expression. Expression means a combination of terms connected by the symbols plus or minus or plus minus both is called an expression. So terms means numerals or literals combined by into symbol, multiplication symbol, or only numerals, only literals, or their combination combined by multiplication symbol 6 into x, 6x is considered as a term. But expression means that the terms should be combined either by plus symbol or by minus symbol, or they can have both the symbols at a time. So that is called as an expression. So 6x plus 5y. 6x is a term, 5y is a term. Both are combined by plus operator, mathematical operator plus. So this entire expression, so this entire combination, 6x plus 5y will be considered as an expression. Or if you take this example, you are having three terms, 2a, 7b, minus 1. 1. They are combined by operators plus and minus. So this combination is an example of expression. Expression. Next. X square minus 2y square plus 5z. Here the term is x square, next term is 2y square, third term is 5z, combined by minus operator, plus operator. This combination also is an example of expression. These are all examples of expressions. Next, about numerical expression. So in expressions only, if they are in the form of like 9 plus 2, 11 minus 7, 4 into 20, means it's a single term. It's a single term. The expression having single term. 33 by 7. These are all expressions without any literals or without any variables. Expressions without any variables. So these are all examples of numerical expressions. Which means if every term of an expression is a constant term without the variable, then the expression is called numerical expression. Like 1 plus 2 minus 9, no variable is there. 9 plus of 6 minus 5, no variable. 29, no variable. These are all examples of numerical expressions. Numerical expressions. Next. So algebraic expressions means a combination of literals and numbers connected by symbols plus or minus or both is called an algebraic expression. Means we can also define in another way, a combination of terms obtained by the operations like addition and subtraction is called algebraic expression. But combination of which terms? Combination of literals and numbers. The terms having literals and numbers. Or we can also define in another way. If an expression has at least one algebraic term, then the expression is called algebraic expression. So algebraic term means the term having literal. Then it is called algebraic expression. So 3x plus 8y. This is first term, second term. First term is algebraic, second term is algebraic. So it's an expression having two terms, 3x, 8y. Both are algebraic terms. So this is an example of algebraic expression. So x square minus 2y square plus 5z. It's an expression having three terms. But all three terms are algebraic terms. So it's an example of algebraic expression. So whenever we divide like this x by 3, if we divide the literals and numbers, then we have to consider it as single term. If we write x by 3, it does not mean that x is one term, 3 is one term, and we are dividing two terms. Because multiplication doesn't separate the terms. So x by 3 we have to consider it as single term. Or 5xy, though we have 5x, y, three quantities, but as we are doing multiplication, their combination 5xy will be considered as single term. It is considered as single term. So multiplication and division do not separate the terms. But if you do addition like 2x plus 9, then it will separate the terms. There 2x is called algebraic term, 9 is called numeric term. It will separate the terms. Next, types of algebraic expressions. Monomial. Monomial means expression having only one term. If the expression has single term or one term, then that expression is called monomial, where mono stands for one, single. Monomial. Like 6a, 3, 7ab, x by 3, 2y square by 7. These are all terms, these are all expressions having only one term, so they are called as monomials. Or binomial means expression having two terms is called a binomial, where bi stands for two. Bi stands for two. Binomial. So 9x plus 2. 9x is one term, 2 is one term. Combination of two terms. Binomial. 5a minus b by 3. 5a is one term, b by 3 is one term, combined by minus operator. It's a binomial. Next, x cubed by y minus 1 by 6 is a binomial. Binomial means the expression having two terms. Next, trinomial. Expression having three terms is called a trinomial, where tri stands for 3. Trinomial. So, here 9a is one term, 5x is one term, 6 is one term, combined by plus operator, combined by minus operator. This combination or this expression is called as a trinomial. Or this is also an example of trinomial. Next, multinomial. If the expression has more than three terms, then it is called as a multinomial. More than three terms. There may be 4, there may be 5, 6, many terms. It is called as a multinomial. Multinomial. This is multinomial, 4 terms. This is also multinomial, 4 terms. Polynomial. Polynomial means expression containing one or more terms. All these are examples of polynomials, one or more terms. This monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, all are examples of polynomials. But the condition is the expression containing one or more terms with positive integral indices or powers or exponents is called a polynomial. Means in all the terms, in all the uh, in all the terms of the expression, if the exponent above the variable, if it is positive, so then only that expression will be considered as an polynomial. So an algebraic expression of the form a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube, where this a, b, c, d are constants or numerals, and x square, x cube. In this, x is a variable and 2, 3 exponents are positive. This is considered as a polynomial. This is the general form of polynomial in variable x, defined in variable x. That is about polynomial. So, example, x square minus 5x cube plus 3xy plus z cube. This is a polynomial. In variables, two variables are involved, x comma y. Next, this one, 2 plus 5x plus x square minus 4x cube is also a polynomial in variable x. Only one variable is there. These two are examples of polynomials. Here, x plus 1 by x. If x plus 1 by x is there, here x power 1, 1 by x nothing is there, means x power 1 we can take. Here x power 1 plus 1 by x power 1 means whenever we have variable in the denominator, then it is not a polynomial, because x power 1 plus, if it goes upside, it will become x power minus 1. In the exponent, we will get negative term. It's not a polynomial. It's not a polynomial. It's only a multinomial, combination of terms. Sorry, it's a binomial, two terms. It's a binomial, but it's not a polynomial. Or this one, or root x plus 1, root x. Root x means root can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. Here also power is 1 by 2, which is not an integer. But the rule of polynomial is exponent should be positive integer. Positive integer, like this. It should not be negative and it should not be fraction. The exponent, it should not be negative, it should not be fraction. But here in root of x plus 1, root, the meaning of root is x power 1 by 2 plus 1. In the power, we have 1 by 2, which is not integer. So this is not a polynomial. So it's only a binomial. So 2x square minus 4x minus x power minus 2. Here x square, it is a positive. Exponent is positive, but here it is negative, minus 2. One may be positive, but here some of the exponents may be positive. But if one exponent is negative, then total expression is not a polynomial. So this x plus 1 by x, root x plus 1, 2x square minus 4x minus x to the power of minus 2. These are all not polynomials because they are not having positive integral powers. So they are not polynomials. So all polynomials are multinomials. So this is a polynomial, but it's a combination of 3 or more terms. So it's a multinomial. But this is a multinomial, but it is not a polynomial. So all polynomials can be multinomials, but every multinomial need not be a polynomial. It depends. Polynomial means we have to check whether the exponent is positive integral power or not. Next one. So degree of monomial. So degree of monomial means the sum of the powers in each of its variable. Suppose here 9x square y cube, it's a single term, it's a monomial having 3 quantities, 9x, y. X and y are the variables. X is having power 2, y is having power 3. If we add all the powers of all the existing variables, then 2 plus 3, 5. This sum is called degree of the monomial. Degree of the monomial. So degree means sum of all the exponents of the variables present in that monomial. Suppose we have only this term 9. We have only 9. It's a monomial, but it's a numerical term, but it's a monomial. What is the degree of 9? There is no variable present in the monomial. Then we can assume it as x power 0, means variable 0. Variable 0 in this case. So x power 0 means what is the exponent here? 0. So 9 is a constant term. For constant term, degree will be always 0. Next, degree of an algebraic expression. So for algebraic expression, what is the degree means? The highest power of terms in an expression is called its degree. The algebraic expression can have many terms. Out of all the terms, which term is having highest power, that is called degree. The highest of the degrees of all the terms is called as the highest power of all the terms is called as degree of the expression. Suppose we have this expression. Here the power is 2. Here the power is x power 1, y power 1, z power 1. The degree of this term is 2. The degree of this term is 3. Here only y. The degree of this term is 1. The highest degree out of 2, 3, 1 is 3. So overall expression degree is 3. First we have to calculate individual degrees of all the terms, out of which the highest degree will be the degree of the expression. Degree of the expression. So degree of this expression is 3. Next step. So finding the value of an expression. So by assigning values to literal numbers in an algebraic expression, you can find the value of expression. So finding the value of expression indirectly means assigning one value to the literal number, which makes the expression, it's not equation, assigning one value to the literal number. Suppose, so find the value of 3x square if x equal to minus 1. They have given x equal to minus 1. They have given the value of literal. and we have to find the value of the expression. So in step 1, we have to write the expression. In step 2, in the place of variable, we have to substitute its value, which is -1. 3 into -1 whole square. -1 whole square means -1 into -1 to be multiplied 2 times. Minus into minus plus, 1 into 1, 1. No need to mention plus. We can just write 1. 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. So this is the value. So example 2. Find the value of x square minus y plus 2. If x equal to 0, y equal to -1. Here we have two variables in the expression. Two values of the variables are given. First, write the expression. Next, substitute the values of both variables, x and y. In the place of x, we can keep 0. In the place of y, we can keep -1. Then 0 square minus of -1 plus 2. 0 square means 0. No need to write it. Minus into minus plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So this is the value of expression at these values of the variables. If we take different values for the variables, the value of the expression will change. The value of the expression always depends on values of the variables. So okay, children, remaining topics we can learn in our next video. So that's all for today, children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. You can also visit our website aimstoday.in for information regarding previous online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding skills. Thank you, children. Have a good day.